Here are the 9 types of intelligence according kay Howard Gardner. Number 1, logical intelligence. Yung madalas na career paths para sa mga to is mathematicians, scientists, or detectives. You do really well with math and puzzles. Number 2, naturalist intelligence. Meron kang great appreciation of your surroundings or nature. Dito din po yung nakakita ka ng mga patterns kung saan-saan. Nakakita ka ng mukha sa ulap o mukha sa puno. Number 3, linguistics. Very self-explanatory na po yung linguistics. Magaling ka magsalita, magaling ka mag-express ng sarili mo, marunong ka sa language. Number 4, kinesthetic. Most likely athletic ka kung ito yung type of intelligence na meron ka. Magaling ka mag-basketball, marunong ka maglaro ng sports. Number 5, spatial intelligence. Ang best example na mabibigay ko po para dito ay yung mga magagaling mag-drive. Kasi nami-measure nyo po ng maayos yung distansya nyo from car to car. Number 6, existential intelligence. Ito po yung maraming tanong about the human existence, kung bakit ba tayo nag-i-exist, ano yung purpose ng living, and is there life after we pass. Number 7, interpersonal intelligence. Ito naman po yung mga public relations officer natin nung high school.